I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm getting older. I'm getting older. I grow up. I grow up. I learn many things. I learn many things. I go to school. I go to school. I make friends. I make friends. I read books. I read books. I play games. I play games. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I get bigger. I get bigger. I lose my baby teeth. I lose my baby teeth. I get new teeth. I get new teeth. I become a teenager. I become a teenager. I have more responsibilities. I have more responsibilities. I help at home. I help at home. I take care of my things. I take care of my things. I study for exams. I study for exams. I graduate from school. I graduate from school. I become an adult. I become an adult. I find a job. I find a job. I start a family. I start a family. I have children. I have children. I tell them stories. I tell them stories. I teach them to grow up. I teach them to grow up. I remember being a child. I remember being a child. Growing up is a journey. Growing up is a journey. It is a part of life. It is a part of life.